So guys, you people must have received two different mails from Mindtree. So one will be the actual test and the other will be the audio quality check test. So now let's perform the audio quality check test. So start test. So I was redirected to a new site and I am opening the actual test also. So I will be showing the difference between the actual test and the check test. So guys, if you observe here, 71 questions, 4 sections in 45 minutes will be the actual test. Before performing the actual test, now we need to perform the audio quality check test. So 5 questions in 10 minutes. It's just a mandatory check test. You don't need to worry about it. So here we have to record some sentences. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.